Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Volkswagen Atlas SE in pyrite silver metallic. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 9,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, third row seating, power liftgate, 3.6-liter VR6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8236B.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.